Exact measurements are listed in the description section of this video. Let's saute the garlic. Then the shallots. You can also use yellow onions. Then the ginger. Add the hot chili peppers. Then the green onions. Give it a mix. Add an entire bottle of sweet chili sauce. The Thai brand is the best kind to use. Then add a small bottle of banana ketchup. You can also use regular ketchup if you don't have banana ketchup. You can get this at any Asian grocery stores. Add half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Then half a teaspoon of salt. Give it a good mix. Now we can add the blue crabs. I already steamed these crabs, so they are already cooked. We just need to wait a little bit for the sauce to thicken, and this is ready. This is not your typical Singaporean style chili crab recipe, but it's just as good and sinfully delicious. My version of sweet chili crabs. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell. I'll see you next time.